Hello, I'm Mark Miller, the Dean here at the University of Arizona James E. Rogers College of Law. And there are a range of things that make Arizona law stand out. The first, and perhaps the most important, is our small size as a law school, but that we sit within one of the great, large, vibrant research universities in the world. What that means is that faculty, students, and staff get to know each other well, that we can set up mentoring and pathways, that we can support individual study, research, and training. And at the same time, we have a depth of resources, of expertise to draw on. Here at Arizona Law, you will find extraordinary faculty. My colleagues here are extraordinary teachers, deeply committed to the classroom and mentoring, deeply committed to their fields, indeed leaders in their fields. They've produced casebooks, critical articles, commentary, and not only teach students in traditional settings, classes and clinics, but work with students on projects, on reform initiatives, on policy, on research. Of course, we have programs that are world-renowned, such as our Indigenous Peoples Law and Policy program. We have great clinical programs, an enormously powerful writing and research program, since writing is, when we talk to employers across the board, the single skill that is emphasized most often. But we have great strength across areas of practice, civil and criminal, business, private, public. But it's a fascinating time now to be a lawyer and study the law. We live in a heavily legalized and regulated society. What it requires is people who can navigate that space. Laws, regulations, courts, systems, management, compliance, risk. And that is what lawyers and those trained in the law do. We live at a time of technological change, of globalization. Those forces raise a host of legal issues around commerce, around civil liberties and human rights in the criminal and civil justice systems throughout business. Studying law now, working in the law, is one of the most interesting places you can be. It's an enormous honor to be Dean at Arizona Law. The law school has been in existence for 105 years. It's produced a rich community of graduates across the nation and across the world who've been leaders in the profession, in their societies, and in creating some of the new knowledge that has shaped our modern world. Personally, I look forward each year to getting to know those who come to study here, those who think about studying here, and to stay in close contact with those who have studied here. It's one of the great communities I've ever been involved with in my life, and I look forward to having you be a part of it.